Myself, Lovely Kushi. We will present our final year project on implementation of noise mapping and prediction system for noise pollution. This is the content that we are going to present. Our problem statement is that the noise pollution is very unreported environmental hazard. According to World Health Organization, any prolonged exposure to loud noises above 85 decibels is problematic for every human being. It is a cause of every cardiovascular disease, night sleep disturbance and impairment in children. Our main problem is that the existing solutions in the market are not continuous, not real-time monitoring, and they are very expensive. So we have a solution of 4-layer IoT, which is inexpensive, monitors continuously and gives you the noise map. According to our literature survey, there are not many systems which are using real-time prediction and LSTM model for prediction. So this is our block diagram. That's pretty much it. Thank you.
My name is Tanmay. I will be explaining the architecture of this project. It is classified into 4 stages: hardware layer, cloud layer, backend layer, and application layer. I will be covering hardware layer and cloud layer. So in hardware, we have ESP32 microcontroller, INMP441 MEMS microphone, and Neo 6M GPS module. We chose INMP441 microphone because it gives digital output with the help of I2S protocol, inter IC sound protocol. So we don't have to convert the analog values into digital. So we have a less noise and better accuracy. Also, we have a GPS module which uses serial communication, which uses Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter Protocol, which gives latitude longitude for the project. We chose ESP32 as a microcontroller because of main 3 reasons. The first is it has built-in Wi-Fi. Second, it works well in harsh wet environment. Number 3 is it supports the I2S communication, which is very essential for the seamless communication between microphone and microcontroller. Now ESP32 captures the acoustic data, and firstly it sends the HTTP GET request to the ThingSpeak cloud, and ThingSpeak cloud fetches the data as decibels, noise levels as a decibels, latitude, longitude, and whether the GPS is default or flexible.
Myself Soham, and I will be talking about our app. So this is our app. We have used so this is our dashboard, which consists of real noise mapping. It consists of 2 things. That is, first is green indicates that the very low noise level, and red indicates very high. So the API is coming from ThingSpeak REST API, which is coming from ThingSpeak code IDE. Also, I'll be talking about some limitations. Limitations are there is only one real sensor. Also, the GPS system doesn't work indoors. Also, we have very limited data for our system, so we require more data for the better accuracy. There are some future scope as well. Future scope are government integration for the noise pollution monitoring, and also multiple sensors across the cities for the better accuracy results. Thank you.
Okay.